Oh, I just love camping out in the great outdoors. It's so outdoorsy.
Yeah, it sure is fabulous with all this nature in your face. I'm going on a hike and take lovely photos with my new camera, okay?
Hey, yeah, a hike. That's wonderful. Just great. You do that. Sounds like fun. But as for me, I'm gonna take a nap.
You hear that, Polly? A nap. Yeah, doesn't that sound restful? Just settle in right there. Sweet dreams, you two. I'm cruising into the woods.
Jamal! It would be better if Polly goes with you.
Can I ever be alone?
Polly goes with you. You hear? No back talk. Now have a good time. See you later.
Right. Just don't get in my way, okay?
Go on, give shade. I got my own camera.
Polly? She's just too cute to resist. Okay.
It gets me places.
Watch me, Polly. This is how a pro takes pictures. Oh, what pretty wildflowers. Let's take a photo. Hold that pose, boys.
Ooh, butterfly. Hey, hold still. Oh, darn, I missed.
Isn't this natural nature photography interesting, Polly? Polly? Hey, Polly, don't go in there. Come on, Polly. Let's get back to camp before anything else happens. Come on, Polly. Don't be so stubborn. Get along, Polly. Hello, Mr. Lion. Is that your tone? Allow me to roll it up for you. They're good as new. Oh, don't be mad or anything. I do support saving endangered species like yourself. Don't you? Oh, hey. Who put out the light?
Now listen, you better stay still this time. You scared the butterfly off.
Polly, I think we better vacate. Some traveling music, please.
Pretty pussy.
Trust me to get rid of that stupid mountain lion. Yuck, yuck. Whew, that was a close one, huh? Shouldn't you be hibernating or something? Goodbye. Don't get wet, you dustbag! Ka-chunk, ka-chunk! Oh. It's smooth sailing from now on, Polly.
Oh, Jamal, what's that?
Oh, the usual waterfall that predictably shows up at these sorts of things. Waterfall! sure glad that's over.
What does the sign say?
Big geyser. Oh, what a giveaway! Aching bum.
Oh, that was fun. Let's do it again.
Jamal, Holly, there you are. It's a good thing you haven't gone on your naturalist photo hike. You left your film in the tent, Jamal. You can't take photos without film, you know.
Don't sweat it. I took lots of photos.
I feel so empty.
Oh, you silly little frog person, you! I always keep my camera loaded for those precious moments. Big smile, darlings! Oh.
Not my best side. Oh, yeah, cartoon.